Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing one of my favorite ab exercises that a yoga teacher taught me. She calls it bounce, bounce, push, push, so we will too. When we do these, we want to take something. I use my water bottle. Maybe a tiny foam roller would work as well, or even a dumbbell. We want to sit facing that piece of equipment, and our legs are going to be completely straight. We're going to be sitting on our hip bones with our spine nice and tall. Our hands, we want them just on the outsides of our mid-thigh. So this way, we're not leaning back, we're not leaning too far forward. Our hands are going to hold us steady. We're going to squeeze our quads, we're going to point our toes. We are going to then bring our legs off the ground. This is going to be a massive amount of engagement in our very low, deep, intrinsic abs. So we're going to elevate our feet off the ground, shift them to the other side of our object, and then back to the side on which we started. This is going to be a lot on our lower abs, so whenever you need to pause is okay. I would rather you pause than begin to lean back. We want to stay upright. So once we go over with straight legs, we are then going to bend our knees, bring them towards us, extend them to the other side of our object, and then back to the first side of our object. So in real time, it looks like and for more excellent core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.